Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. My name's Andrew and this is
Sofia.
And today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw a
Rainbow.
So, I hope you enjoy our tutorials. Please subscribe to our channel if you like what we're doing. Don't forget, if you have any comments and suggestions about what you'd like us to do in the future, drop them in the box below. Shall we get started?
Yeah.
Let's begin. Okay, so let's get a blue pen first of all.
Where's mine?
There's a blue pen there. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to do the eyes of the clouds first of all. So here I'm going to draw a little blue circle.
Okay.
Brilliant. And then next to it I'm going to do another little blue circle. And then we're going to move along, give it a gap. So we're about here. We're going to do another blue circle. And then we're going to do another little blue circle there. That's amazing, Sophia. Okay, so the next thing to do is we're going to get a nice bright pink. You got a nice bright pink there? That's it. That's a good one. Okay. Now, can you draw like a letter U for the smiley mouth?
I know how to do that.
Like that. Brilliant. Okay. And we're going to do another little U in between the two eyes, like that. Amazing. Now I'm going to get the light pink now. So here, do you want to borrow that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'll use this one. And we're going to do the cheeks. Okay, so I'm going to draw a little pink circle underneath the blue circle. That's brilliant, Sophia. Really good. Okay, so now where's our light blue again? Tell us, should we use it? That is a nice light blue. Use that one.
Oh, just use
you want to use that one? Okay. So look, now we're going to do the cloud shape around it. So underneath we're going to go loop round and loop round again like that. Yep. And then we're going to loop around again and around and around. And we're going to do a cloud shape like that. That's it. Brilliant, Sophia. And then we're going to do the same on this one. So
mine is too big.
No, it's going to be good because it has to be a sunny and a cloudy day, doesn't it, for you to get a rainbow. So we're going to loop around like that. That's really good. Make sure it joins up to the other bit. That's it. Perfect. Okay. So now we're going to do the colours. So let's start with the purple. We'll go from the bottom up to the top, and then that way we make sure we've got room. Okay? So for you, you're going to join from there to there. So your bit purple will be little. Yeah? Oh, which colour is that one? Have I got one? That colour? You've got two that colour? Okay, you do that one. Good. Okay, so look, from here, we're going to go round and join like that. Okay?
Why do I need to? I just need to go like
that. Yeah, so just from the top there, over and then down. Up, that's it. Around and down. Good, fantastic. Okay. Now we're going to do the blue. So let's go up, around, like that. Now use the blue. So you go, follow that, and go round at the top like that. Brilliant. Okay, let's do that one. And then we're going to use the light blue. And we're going to do another line going round. Okay. Like this. Okay, that looks amazing. Okay, and now what other colour are we going to use now? Well, now we need green. So let's get our light green. You got a light green?
Yeah.
Right. Let's do the line.
I just need to push my pen.
Oh, is your chair slipped? Hold on. You sit down. Let's get you back on your chair. There we go. So we're going to do a green line going round like that. Okay?
Okay.
That's amazing. And then the next colour is the yellow. Let's do the yellow. There you go.
Thank you.
Good. And what comes next? Is it
Orange.
orange. You know your rainbows, don't you? There you go. There's the orange.
Thank you.
Okay. And then what's the last colour?
Red.
Okay. So now we're going to do a red line. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait. Okay, so now we've got the lines. Shall we colour it in? Wow, what an amazing drawing. Give me a high five. That's fantastic. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye.
Bye.